Tall soy latte's fine. Yeah. Great. Thanks. Okay. Okay. Bye. Okay. Bye. Yeah, time was a big issue. My dad's just getting in the shower and being back now. Or so.
Ooh. Hey. What are you looking at? Cross-eyed. Look at your eyes.